Was the birth date of Jesus Christ influenced by pagan celebrations? A lot of people thought and even mocked the Catholic Church by saying that Christmas date was influenced by Sol Invictus and Mithraism in Rome. Let's take a closer look. Marcus Aurelius introduced Sol Invictus Mithraism in Rome in the year 274 AD, but was not established whether it was celebrated on December 25th. Saturnalia was celebrated on December 17th. However, Catholics mentioned and even observed the December 25th earlier. Hippolytus of Rome explained in his commentary on the Book of Daniel around year 204 that December 25th is the birthday of Jesus Christ. 19th century liturgical scholar Louis Duchesne, the date of Christ's birth was decided by using as a starting point the day on which he was believed to have died. Christian antiquity held March 25th as the actual day of Jesus' death. The opinion that the Incarnation also took place on that date is found in the Pseudo-Cyprianic work De Pacha Computus, circa 240. They believed that Jesus' death was March 25th, and this was also the date when he was conceived by Mary. Consequently, the Lord's birth date was December 25th. This was the reason of choosing the date. It was not influenced by the pagans. In his book Spirit of the Liturgy, Pope Benedict XVI explains, the claim used to be made that December 25th developed in opposition to the Mithras myth, or as a Christian response to the cult of the unconquered sun promoted by Roman emperors in the 3rd century in their efforts to establish a new imperial religion. However, these old theories can no longer be sustained. The decisive factor was the connection of creation and cross, of creation and Christ's conception, 105 to 107.
The Confraternity of the New Apologetics is an affiliate of the Episcopal Commission on Biblical Apostolate, one of the commissions of the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines. This organization is blessed by Pope Francis. This organization is an associate member of the Catholic Biblical Federation in Rome and is listed in Southeast Asian region. We are dedicated to explain the faith from the mind of the Church. You can support us by following the page.